just made. OMG, this is like so cute. Okay, we're gonna mix it. Ready? So this is like, this is the one of the half slimes is like a glossy slime I just made right now today, and this part of the slime is like an ice slime that came from this container, and this is just a little bit of it mixed and kind of like blended together a little. Okay, so we're gonna mix it. Okay, so but first let me get you like a way to see. So we're just gonna get some let me do this real quick. This out real quick. Okay. Okay, ready? Let's just mix this. Okay. We're gonna get a shade to mix this. Okay. Okay. So let's see. Oh wow. It's like so nice. It's like such a nice texture to it. Look at that. And the pink slime used to have like a ugly residue, but I don't feel that residue anymore right now. Oh my god, this is such a good slime. These things is this is like so soft, like so cloudy. And look at that bubble pop. No more residue. No residue anywhere. Oh wow. This is like so nice. I love it. Well, should we add the rest to it? Yeah? I think we should add the rest to it. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab the rest of this nice and glossy slime. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh, wow. And don't worry, if we have to fix it, we'll fix it. So, don't worry. It's like so nice. It's like so big too. It's a little too big. Whoa. Well, it's now officially fully mixed in, and I don't see any problems with it. It's a nice slime. Stretch it out. Do you think this is a good idea? Look. This. Sorry, I tried to use it with only one hand. It's a nice slime. Do you think this was a slay or a fail? Tell me. Bye.